I think my frac sand train is here. Maybe. We'll see. Possibly. No, it's something coming from this other direction. It's not it. Let's see what we got. Bad sounding horn. Oh, we got the redbirds on this one. Let me come up in the shade. There we go, that's a little better. You see, there's a frac sand train at the other end of town that's been waiting, hoping to catch it, because you don't see that, or I don't see it too often on NS. Yeah, I forget what the redbirds are. MILX reporting marks on some of them. They got rotary coupler ends on them, so. But there's so many different reporting marks. You know, you got FURX, you know. MILX, TILX, NDYX. I don't know. Somebody owns them, that's all I know. Day, I know that much. Yeah, there's the end. So I guarantee you that frac sand train will be next. Guaranteed. Hopefully I can get down here to catch it. Wish me luck.